throw it in the bag as you go so that you have everything y no se te olvide algo, and then you're crying because you are in the middle of a rancho and you don't have a Sephora.
Hi guys, okay, so I'm doing something really different because I love watching videos where girls show how they pack for like any trip they're going on, and I'm flying, so this is really hard for me because I have to pick stuff that I really need because you can only take so much on a plane, you know what I mean? Sorry for the bad lighting. This is really just, this is me really getting ready. I came back from school maybe like an hour, like less than an hour ago, so I look pretty greasy. I'm gonna shower, my hair's really dirty. I kind of want to work out, but that's not the point. I thought today was the day that I could pack my jewelry and maybe my makeup because, again, I really just want to get that out of the way so I won't be stressed. I'm trying to like divide everything so that like I'm not just doing everything in one night, because I've done that before and then I forget a thing or two and that really stresses me out. So let me show you what I'm gonna take. I'm really excited about this. So I watched Roxette Arisa. I love her. Roxette is so beautiful and she showed this. Let me show you guys. Okay, so she mentioned this in one of her videos. This is a jewelry holder thing for travel. This is so nice and handy, especially if you love traveling with stuff that just loves to tangle up. So I think this is perfect. Put your necklaces here, some like bracelets, and then this is so cool. I thought this was really neat. They have like holes for your earrings, so you have that, and then you have rings, like a little ring thing here, and then more space over here. So this is from Amazon. I'll try to leave it down below. It's like almost $30, but I mean it's so worth it. It keeps everything nice and organized. I'm gonna try not to bring so much jewelry, but it's kind of hard for me not to because I switch out my jewelry every single day. I'm gonna start over here first. This is where I have a bunch of my earrings, like my studs, and then I have, what, where? Oh, okay, my hoops are right over here and they were moving my stuff around. So this is actually from Express. You can actually like get some with every purchase of jewelry you get, and I always keep them for when I travel. I'm gonna do a montage and then I'm gonna show y'all what I bring in the end. Alrighty, so I ended up putting some hoops in here. So I got my mini chunky hoops and I got some big hoops. These are from Target. These are from my mom. I don't know where she got them, but I have found some in Express that look kind of like this. So y'all should check Express. This is from Aranda's. I got it at a church. It just has like a cross on it. I love wearing that. So I brought these cute hoops from Express. These are from H&M. And then these are just some diamond studs and then some little mini studs. This is from, I think, Express. Express has really cute jewelry. This is like an ear cuff, so you just put it on one ear and then the other ear I'll wear like a mini stud or something. These are so pretty. If you guys don't know how they look on the ear, actually Miss Universe even wore one on her ear and it looked fabulous. And then over here I have some of my rings that I wear almost every single day. But yeah, that's everything that I'm bringing. Simple. I know I will wear most of this jewelry. And I'm a jewelry person, so if this seems like a lot, really isn't for me personally. And I'm bringing these for my little sister, so. Alright, now let's move on to the makeup. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that the day that I'm leaving, I'm going to put on some pearls. I always travel with pearl earrings. They're just a basic must-have in my jewelry collection, so I'm going to wear that. Alright, look who decided to join. Say hi, Nacho. So I decided to pull out my Sephora makeup bag that I use to travel. So it comes with like two deep pocket pouches here. So like that one, there's this one, and then there's like this one. I'm pretty sure this is for your skincare or something, but I don't think everything can fit in there, so I'm going to be extra. And I'm going to bring this bag from Jouer. and it comes with like a little tiny one that I think they sell them separately, so if you like this one and not this one, yeah. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna bring my skincare in this bag and then my makeup in here. I have like my separate makeup travel brushes, so this is a set from Morphe, and then this is another set from Morphe. I think these are both from their holiday collections from different years. So I bring these all the time. I have every brush that I need. Right, so I'm going to do another montage because this is going to probably... I'm a terrible vlogger. Okay, so ahorita me voy a sentar and I'm going to go through my whole drawer. And this is going to take me a while. I really can't talk through it because I want to concentrate. I'm not even on my face. Yeah, but I need to go through things that I know I need. Like, I don't want to take extra stuff. Me da cosa cuando llevo cosas que I don't even use at the end, and I'm like, wow, I just wasted a lot of space. So I'm trying to be really smart. I'm not even going to be there for a whole week, so it's going to be less makeup. I'm trying to think like that. The good thing is I went to Ulta and like Sephora, and I got little mini sizes of things that I do love. So I brought a mini toner. I bought like a mini setting spray. You'll see, I'll do like a whole overview of everything that I'm bringing, but just for right now, I need to do it by myself, so y'all will see a montage of that. And quick tip, if you are traveling and you have no idea where to start, like picking makeup stuff, just go through your whole makeup routine and then just throw it in the bag as you go, so that you have everything y no se te olvide algo, and then you're crying because you are in the middle of a rancho and you don't have a Sephora. Alright, let's go. I think I spent about 45 minutes looking through my collection, and I can't decide, but I have to because I know I'm gonna hate myself once I get there and I brought my whole makeup collection. I have done that before and it was a really big mistake. Anyways, so let me just show you what I have done. So aquí tenemos my main bag. Alright, so primero lo que ves, some eyelashes, right? So I have 4 pairs. And I want to have options, but I want to be minimalistic at the same time. You feel me? So I brought House of Lashes in Iconic Light. I love these. I think these are gorgeous. I brought some Flutter Lashes in Intoxicating. They're lightweight, super nice. I brought my Miamis. I've never worn these, but I know these are so beautiful. I've seen them on so many people. Over here, you're supposed to bring your makeup brushes, but I already have them in those 2 containers, so I brought these things here. So I brought my eyeliners. I brought a nude, a black, and a brown. And then I brought my eyebrow pencil from Revolution Makeup. And I brought my Benefit gel for my brows. And then I brought an NYC black liquid liner. I love this liner. I think after this I'm going to have to buy the NYX one because NYC no longer makes makeup anymore. Like in the US, I'm pretty sure. Hi, Pooch. Me traje 3 mascaras because I'm that extra. So I brought my Telescopic, and then I brought NARS, Climax, and Monsieur Big in Waterproof. And I am bringing this pomade by Benefit. Right, now over here, I'm like out of breath. Oh my gosh. So I brought my Soft Glam. This one has all my eyeshadow that I need. Everything in here. So I really could just travel with this one, but because I have just purchased this palette, I thought what better time, so I'm bringing it with me. This has nudes, but let me open it. So this has neutral shades in there, but it also has some pop of color. And like I said, I am extra. So in this little bag, I'm bringing all of these individual shadows. I'm bringing 2 of my Stila glitters. This one is in Smoky Storm. And then I'm bringing Diamond Dust. And then I'm bringing my 4 glitters from Makeup Forever. I showed these in a haul. So I really want to get used to these over there. These are beautiful on the eyes, so I'm definitely going to have to wear one of these. And then I'm bringing my Tarte single eyeshadow in Top Yacht. This is such a pretty color. I think this will just finish a look beautifully, so I need to bring this, but I'm really scared because I think these are super sensitive. Like, if you drop it, they crack, they die. The end. This is also something that I'm really scared of bringing, but you guys know this is my favorite inner corner eyeshadow. This is Thunderstruck by Kat Von D. I love this eyeshadow. I use it as a highlight sometimes, but this is my inner corner highlight all the time. This is so soft, so I don't know if it will survive, but I'm hoping it will. I'm gonna take this makeup with me as my carry-on, so ojalá que no se quiebre nada de mi maquillaje on my carry-on. Alright, and then in here, this is where I have my foundations and my primers, and let me show ya. Alright, so I'm bringing all of my, not all of them, but so I'm bringing 2 Pro Mattes. Where is it? 2 Pro Mattes, one in a light shade and one in a dark shade, because I am going to self-tan. I mean, that's the plan. I want to do that. And so I also did the same with the Pro Glow ones, because I love mixing these together. I think they make a beautiful natural finish. They last long. They look great in pictures. I use these on clients. They're bulletproof for me. The packaging is perfect for traveling, I personally think. They break. There's no glass. You know what I mean? Then I brought a liquid illuminator from Becca in Champagne Pop. No, just kidding. In Opal. This is going to look beautiful on my skin. I'm going to probably mix it in with moisturizer. And then I brought my Origins Pore Minimizing Primer. I love this stuff. I brought Hourglass's Face Primer. I brought this moisturizer primer from First Aid Beauty. This is really good. I'm almost done with this, so I think I could definitely finish it. Then I brought like a mini bronzer from Benefit. My Tarte Shape Tape in, I'm so sorry guys about my dog, in light medium, and a glitter glue from Too Faced. And then in here, this is where I have all my face powders and stuff. I'm going to bring a bunch of little palettes so that I don't have to bring individual stuff. I'm bringing this Tarte Pro Glow On The Go. Has a nice dark bronzer and 2 natural looking highlights. I love these. I brought an Hourglass mini travel size of their powder. This is really good, and Hourglass is really expensive, but this was only $16 because it is the travel size. Then I brought a all-nighter setting spray. I'm so excited to try this, also travel size. The Anastasia Blush Trio. This is in Peachy Love. I think these are so good, and I'm so happy that I got that. I found some actually at TJ Maxx, so you guys should go check them out. They're at a discounted price. Brought my Smashbox Trio. This has a contour, a bronzer, and a setting powder for under your eyes. I'm bringing my Laura Geller palette. This has 3 illuminators that I personally love, and these are like really intense, and I really like these, so I'm so glad that I got this palette. I don't know if they sell this anymore, to be honest, but I know that they have a new one. It's like in a triangle shape, and they're so worth it. I love the formula of these highlighters. Okie dokie, so now in here, this is like my skincare stuff, right? So I'm bringing tools in this little bag. I got some curler, I got some glue, I got some cotton pads for my toner, an eyelash serum, aka my favorite thing in the world. This is what makes my lashes grow. Grande Lash MD, recommend. Not sponsored, by the way. Origins, this is a super spot remover. Then I have a little razor. Tweezers, I have some, I have a sharpener and some scissors and a chapstick. This is a must-have. So then I brought some La Mer face masks because I know that I want to pamper my skin over there. So I'm bringing that. I brought some makeup wipes from Neutrogena. I brought my toner from Fires. This is a mini size of Lancome oil. A mini size setting spray from MAC. This is their Fix Plus. I love this for eyeshadow. Some hair vitamins from
what is it called? Sugar Bear Hair. These are okay. I mean, I'm trying to finish them up, TBH. I got a Glam Glow moisturizing mask. I'm almost done with this, pero me lo tengo que acabar. Maybe I'll even use this right now, to be honest. There you go. Hello, darkness. Jack Black moisturizer and the soap. I don't think I have enough soap in there, so I'm going to bring my Cetaphil one. I really like the size of this. I'm bringing my little scrub, this mask from Ola Henriksen, the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. Alright, and then this is not La Mer's eye cream. This is actually this sunscreen from La Roche-Posay, and I put it in here because no me lo puedo llevar, so that goes in there. Just a little tip for y'all if you can't travel with big things. Alright, then I brought my Real Technique sponge, and then lastly my Neutrogena Healthy Skin eye cream. Lastly, I'm so sorry, this is so annoying, guys, I'm sorry. So this is my lip stuff. So I'm bringing all my lip liners that I own because, I mean, I have basics. Here I have my L'Oreal pink lip liner. This is my nude. And then I have a dark plum color. These are from L'Oreal, by the way. I have a pink and a red that I'm also bringing. Now for lip glosses, I'm bringing my Marc Jacobs one, and then I'm bringing my Jouer one. This one has glitter, and this one's more of a cream. Then I'm bringing liquid lipsticks. I'm bringing one red lipstick. I think this is the best one I've ever tried. Doesn't smudge, and it doesn't budge unless you use oil. Let me close the door. You can hear my mom. My house is always really loud. Ay, Dios mío. Anyways, so these may seem very similar, but they're really not. Okay, so this one from Stila is a lot more pink, and then this one from Smashbox is a lot more purple. I really love the formula of both. This one is a Smashbox liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorite nudes. Okay, then this one is the darkest lip color I'm bringing. This is Dose Colors in Savage. Savage is this one right here. Then lastly, I am bringing two just regular nude lipsticks. Oh gosh. These are from the drugstore. This is Rimmel London's lipstick with Kate. This is so pretty. It's just a nude. It smells like Laffy Taffy, like the strawberry one. And it's a sheer lipstick, but it gives you a hint. And it's so pretty. This one has more pigment than this one. This one is literally like a gloss, but in a lipstick form. Alright, so I think with all this, I will be pretty set for the trip.
Hey guys, so I don't know where I last ended, but this is like very stressful. I don't know how people record themselves. I need to get ready for school tomorrow actually because I start school tomorrow. It's my last day of school until I go into winter break. Woo! But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what I pack and seeing how I organize things, even though it looked kind of scrambled everywhere. I'll try to actually even record some of my trip in Mexico and make like a little vlog. I love making vlogs, those are so fun, and I love to look back on them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please join the family. We are so close to 800 subscribers, I think. I'm so happy, you guys. Thank you for all the support, and I'm sorry that I'm not on YouTube as often as I would like to. I will see you guys in my next video.